not only that, this thing comes with a wild ability. Anyone within 100 meters get turned into a puppet the moment its invisible strings touch you. Now against anybody else, this would have been a game over. That's like Sukuna summoning his malevolent shrine. You're cooked! Except, remember at the start of the video when I said that Mash is a giant middle finger to everybody in his verse? Yeah, bro moves so fast that he was able to react the moment the strings touched him and demolish Abel's puppet. Abel could not believe his eyes, and then Mash called him a rabbit, and that's when he realized bro thought he was the hunter this entire time, not knowing he was getting hunted by Mash. And just like Vegeta spamming Ki Blast moments before taking an L, Abel does one last desperate attack with his puppet, only for that shit to be destroyed right along with his entire spell.